Okay, welcome back guys sa Nerbits Gaming. So ngayong araw guys, mag-react po tayo sa bagong mga labas ng Valve. So yung kanilang video guys is Steam hardware announcement. So tara, check natin.
Hey everyone, this is Steam Deck. Steam Deck is our powerful, portable, handheld gaming PC that lets you take your Steam library with you anywhere. We're pretty proud of it. People who own Steam Decks have been playing everywhere.
Okay, so sabi ng guys ng Valve, we're very proud of it. Totoo naman guys no, kasi sobrang tagal lang namamayagpag ng Steam Deck, lalo na yung Steam Deck OLED, 'di ba? So kahit ilang taon na nakalipas no, kumbaga marami pa rin bumibili at yung iba bumabalik pa rin sa Steam Deck kasi nga napaka-optimize ng kanilang software.
And we couldn't be happier with the response we've heard from all of you. We're excited to talk about the future of Steam Deck, but not today, because...
Okay, so ayun guys, sabi na no. So, iba kasi nag-aabang na magkakaroon na raw ng Steam Deck 2. So, isa rin ako sa nag-aabang dun, no? Pero ayun nga, sabi nila, wala pa po silang ilalabas na bagong Steam Deck. So, sa ngayon, so sa mga fans ng Steam Deck OLED dyan, so as of now, Steam Deck OLED pa rin yung pinaka-latest ng Valve.
This isn't a video about the future of Steam Deck. This is a video about the future of Steam hardware. Today, we're announcing 3 new members of the Steam hardware lineup.
Okay, so bago guys, 3 na model.
All connect you with powerful PC gaming. All are optimized for gaming with Steam, and all are shipping in early 2026. Let's start with this one.
So release to guys 2026 early. So baka ano yan, January, February, March, mga ganun.
This is the new Steam controller.
Okay, so ito guys yung kanilang first item, Steam controller. So actually guys, nagkaroon na nito dati, yung OG. Pero dati hindi ako nagkaroon nun kasi medyo pricey yun dati and then wala pa naman Steam Deck dati, no. So dati ginagamit ko lang mga mga third party wireless controller from Shopee. So ito yung latest nila guys. So papansin nyo guys yung trackpad guys sa trackpad ng Steam Deck.
The new Steam controller puts all of your Steam games at your fingertips, so you can play wherever and however you want. Just like with Steam Deck, we want you to be able to play any
Kasi itong guys, itong
game
trackpad ng Steam Deck is siya yung pinakamagandang trackpad na na-try ko sa mga handheld console. Sakto lang yung laki, tapos talagang ang ganda gamitin compare sa ibang trackpad.
Steam controller. Even games never built with a controller in mind. It has all the great features from Steam Deck.
So ayan guys yung kanyang features, meron siyang dual trackpads, HD haptics, gyro, grip buttons, full-size controls, caps and thumbstick at Steam button. So lahat daw guys ng mga Steam games is compatible to.
Trackpads, gyro, and back buttons, all in a comfortable form factor. Its next-generation magnetic thumbsticks let you play with improved responsiveness and longevity. We've put capacitive touch sensors on the thumbsticks.
Ang niya no? Ang lapad.
And now on the back of the controller too, so you can enable precision gyro aiming with the touch of your thumb, or your pinky if you're feeling fancy. Play for way too long with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that allows for over 35 hours of playtime. With Steam controller, we want to make charging and wireless pairing something that's actually easy. That's why we created the Puck. The Puck is a combination wireless adapter and magnetic charger.
Ayun, so mas madali na po siyang i-charge kasi 'di ba iba kasi 'di ba mga controller is type C, ko-connect mo pa yung pinaka port 'di ba? So ito parang magnetic na siya. So ipapatong mo lang sa dock.
Snap it on to charge.
Ayan, ganyan.
Once you're charged.
So mas simple, less hassle. Pero parang nakakapanibago talaga yung itsura no? Nung controller nila. Kasi nga dahil dun sa dalawang trackpad. So ano siya, talagang lumapad yung controller. Pero tingnan natin pag gamitin natin yung controller na yan, kung ano yung feeling kapag ganitong gamit ng controller sa gaming. Pero tingin ko naman, kumbaga, hindi naman talaga siguro ganun ka-komplikado. Talagang yung itsura talaga niya nakakapanibago lang. Kasi medyo mag-a-adjust ka sa sa pwesto nung niya, analog. Diba ito yung mga typical mga controller. So, parang mataas yung yung analog para sa bandang taas na.
charged up, snap it off again. You can play over Bluetooth or a wired connection too. The new Steam controller works with any device running Steam or Steam Link, whether it's a PC, Mac, handheld, smartphone, Steam Deck, or the new
Okay, so sa halos lahat naman daw guys ng mga devices gumagana, pati sa smartphone.
Steam machine. Oh, this is the new Steam machine.
Okay, next guys is Steam Machine.
Steam Machine is a powerful gaming PC in a small but mighty package.
Okay, so ano siya guys, para siyang mini PC na kumbaga for example yung Steam Deck natin, 'di ba? So ginawa siyang parang siguro mas mataas yung specs.
Designed for your games on the big screen. It's quiet too, which is crazy since it's 6 times more powerful than a Steam Deck.
So yung guys, 6 times powerful daw siya compare sa Steam Deck. So ano to guys, 'di ba? Gaming PC talaga siya na portable, tapos mas mataas ng 6 times yung specs sa Steam Deck. So sa ibang nabibiting guys sa specs ng Steam Deck, para sa inyo to guys. Yun nga lang, syempre, this is portable PC. So kailangan mo talaga ng monitor or yung mga portable na monitor. So sa TV pwede rin to syempre. So ayun, 'di ba? Kung meron ka ng Steam Deck, pwede ka rin bumili nito. Pero kung sa presyo siguro, kung matatapatan siguro na yung presyo ng PS5 siguro, baka talagang mag-boom tong Steam Machine. Siguro mga tansya ko rito, mga 30 to 35, mga ganun. Kasi hindi naman ito bababa ng ng 30. So, tingnan natin kung kaya niyang tapatan yung presyo ng PS5.
Powered by a discrete, semi-custom AMD GPU, enabling 4K gaming at 60 frames per second with
Ayun,
FSR.
maganda. 4K gaming tapos naka 60 FPS. So, maganda to, no? Kumbaga, kung for example, meron kayong overnight or meron kayong session ng mga tropa nyo, no? So, pwede mo siyang dalhin dun sa bahay ng tropa nyo. So, ang advantage kasi nito guys, compare sa PS5, syempre, is sigurado, this is Steam. So, pwede kang maglagay dito guys ng non-Steam games.
Steam Machine runs SteamOS made for a bigger screen, built for gaming in your living room, your office, or wherever you play, with the rest of your PC accessories.
Kasi di ba,
Machine,
alam naman natin guys na medyo outdated na yung specs ng Steam Deck, no? So, kumbaga, ito siguro yung sa mga ibang gusto maka-experience ng 4K 60 FPS using non-Steam games. So, ito na yung choice natin.
borrows some great features
So, ito
from
guys, yung kanyang specs, SteamOS, syempre, fast suspend, resume, desktop mode, seamless update, certification, Steam input. So, ito guys, yung maganda kasi sa SteamOS, no? Ayun, for example, naglalaro ka, tapos pinost mo yung gaming mo, tapos in-sleep mode mo. Pag binuksan mo, nandun ka pa rin sa na yon, sa game mo na yon. For example, nasa ka, Ghost of Tsushima, nandun ka sa fighting scene. So, kahit i-sleep mode mo yung Steam Deck mo, pag binuksan mo, nandun ka pa rin. Unlike sa Windows kasi guys, pag in-off mo yung screen, for example, balikan mo after mga 2 hours, magre-restart, mag-off na ng kusa yun. So, ayun yung medyo hassle sa sa Windows.
Steam Deck, like lightning fast sleep and wake, an SD card slot to easily expand.
Ayun, maganda guys, no? Meron siyang SD card slot, napaka less hassle. Kumbaga, anytime pwede kang mag-update ng mag-upgrade ng memory, bumili ka lang sa SM ng mga original na SD card, no? Unlike syempre, diba guys, ito for example sa mga natin, mga gaming PC. So, para mag-upgrade ka ng storage, kailangan mong palitan yung yung pinaka SSD na medyo mahal din, tapos medyo hassle kasi babaklasin mo pa yung PC mo. Unlike dito guys, ilalagay mo lang SD card para ka lang naglagay ng memory card sa Steam Deck. So, bukod doon sa SD card, meron din siyang Steam Store, syempre, Cloud Saves, Friend List, Steam Chat, Remote Play. Basically siya guys, Steam Deck na tinanggal yung screen, tapos ginawang 6 times yung specs. So, ganun siya.
And your storage. And bring some new tricks of its own, like a customizable LED strip, which can show different system functionalities, or your own light show. Steam Machine
Maganda yung may purpose yung pinaka niya na guys, pinaka LED.
is a PC.
Hindi lang siya
So run
aesthetic.
whatever software you want. and it works with all your favorite desktop and gaming accessories. Steam Machine is designed to work hand in hand with the Steam controller, with the low latency, wireless connectivity of the Steam controller puck built right in. And it's great for streaming your games to your phone, tablet, laptop, Steam Deck, or Steam Frame. Oh, yep! This is Steam Frame.
Ito guys, yung Steam Frame. So para siyang kagaya dun sa Apple.
Steam Frame is Valve's next-generation VR hardware. Stream all your Steam games, VR and non-VR alike, in the...
Ewan ko, pero ako dati, nag-try ako ng sa PS5 yung VR. Pag matagal na masakit sa mata, hindi ko alam, di siguro ako sanay. Hindi ko sure kung if ever lumabas man to, tapos medyo affordable, baka hindi ako mag-avail nito. Kasi, ayun nga, medyo sa akin masakit sa mata. Pero hindi ko alam, syempre, latest release, kumbaga, baka na-adjust nila yung ang pinaka-features ng VR na to. So, check natin, malay natin, 'di ba? Maganda yung niya. Kumbaga, komportable siya gamitin.
This comfortable, lightweight, wireless VR headset. Steam Frame uses camera-based tracking, so getting into your games is as easy as slipping on the headset and waking it up. Steam Frame controllers, included with the headset, are designed with all the inputs you need for your VR titles, like motion controls and capacitive tracking for all your fingers, as well as a split gamepad layout to work with your whole Steam library.
Siguro yung iba mag-avail nito or interesado rito, pero ako sa VR, hindi ako masyado interesado kasi sa gaming usually talaga more on handheld lang ako eh. Hindi ako fan ng mga VR.
The same magnetic thumbsticks as Steam controller for responsiveness and longevity. Steam Frame also pairs seamlessly with the
Pero ang solid niyan, kahit nasa labas ka, parang may dalang parang may dalang napakalaking TV.
new Steam controller. A great companion
Grabe
for playing non-VR.
Hindi natin alam, check natin, 'di ba? Kung maganda sa mata, magaan, masarap gamitin, siguro mag-avail din tayo nito, pero syempre, check natin yung price kung medyo goods yung price niya.
In the headset. To make sure streaming is smooth and stable no matter what, Steam Frame includes a wireless adapter that lets you stream your games from your PC to your headset over a fast and dedicated Wi-Fi 6 connection. And the game is streamed to your frame optimized for VR, using new technology that allows for the highest resolution streaming exactly where your eyes are looking. And Steam Frame is a PC.
Okay, so ito yung features niya guys. SteamOS, fast suspend resume, desktop mode, seamless updates, SD card slot, Steam info, notifications.
In addition to streaming, you can install and play a bunch of VR and non-VR games right in the headset without a host PC. You can also expand your onboard storage to fit even more games with a micro SD card. Steam controller, Steam Machine, and Steam Frame.
So ayun guys, yung mga latest product nila. Steam controller, Steam Machine, tsaka yung Steam Frame.
All built with the same DNA as Steam Deck. All powered by Steam, work together, and can be used however you'd like.
Yun. So parang nakaano siya guys, tawag sa ganun. So para siyang guys sa Apple guys, yung Apple ecosystem. So parang Steam ecosystem.
With whatever peripherals and accessories you choose. Everything you see here is the culmination of what we've learned from our previous hardware experience and what we've wanted ourselves as gamers. Powerful PC gaming in an open ecosystem, giving you more ways to enjoy the game. So
siguro kaya naglabas sila ng Steam Machine, syempre nga, kumbaga yung Steam Deck is hindi na ganun kataas yung specs para sa ngayong taon na to, 'di ba? Syempre napakarami nang naglabasan ng mga handheld console. Pero yun nga, since bumebenta pa rin naman si Steam Deck, so naglabas sila ng Steam Machine para kung sakaling nabibitinan ka sa performance or sa specs ng Steam Deck, pwede kang bumili ng Steam Machine. Tapos, since nakaano ka na, Steam Machine ka na, syempre bibili ka na rin ng controller. Tapos, since masarap ka maglaro sa Steam Machine, so maiengganyo ka na rin bumili ng Steam Frame. So, ganun siya.
Games you love and discover new ones. Steam Controller, Steam Machine, and Steam Frame are all shipping in early 2026. Learn more at steampowered.com/hardware.
So ayun guys, yung mga latest model ng Valve, meron tayong wireless controller, Steam controller, Steam Machine, tsaka yung Steam Frame. So abangan natin yan guys. Sa 2026 daw yung release. So hopefully magkaroon tayong yan guys, stock para kung sakaling gusto nyo mag-avail ng itong controller, Steam Machine, tsaka Steam Frame. So, sana magkaroon tayong stock niyan para matik, syempre, free games sa atin yan. So, yun guys ang ating reaction video para sa Steam hardware announcement. Thank you for watching guys and happy gaming!
Switch Steam Deck kung wala'y masaya ka, wala nang drive.